ร้านลุงศักดิ์ใช่ไหมเนี่ยก๋วยเตี๋ยวชาชักใช่ใช่
Yes Singa ครับ
Pork and beef
pork and beef mix
mix
pork
Okay.
beef black
ดีชิลลี่
ชอบ
Okay thank you Hello Sawadee I'm looking for this place over here Hello Sawadee Is this the place over here? With the famous Is this the place over here?
อันนี้ร้านลุงศักดิ์ใช่ไหมเนี่ยก๋วยเตี๋ยวชาชักใช่ใช่
Chai the famous Hang Dong Noodles very good Okay thank you Kap I'm gonna sit down over here Here yes thank you Oh wow very kind people over here in Hang Dong so we'll be trying some of the local food here some famous noodles I'm gonna ask what kind of noodles they have if they have it with pork or beef or maybe chicken let's have a look yes I will have a look what for drink I will have Oh yes you can do the lemon can I take it yeah can I go I'll take one over here Yes Singa ครับ
เปิด GPS มาเลย
No my chai thank you
เปิด GPS มาเลยครับไปหน้า
Let's ask what they have here Do you have more or gai
ไก่
or beef How do you say beef Anu beef
pork and beef
pork and beef very good yes chai Okay so I think it's a mix of pork and beef together Let's have a look here So on Google they said it's a very good review. I'm very curious. As you can see guys, very local area over here. Look at the seats. Beautiful seats. Love it. Some Singa. So Singa, normally most people know Singa from the beer. But you also have Singa in like a soda. Soda with lemon, so good. I don't know if I ordered already, so I'm gonna ask if I already ordered or not. Hello, Sawadee Kap. Can I order? You here? Oh, nit noi angkrit. Nit noi angkrit, very good. I will just order with the cook, huh? Hello, Sawadee Kap.
เขาจะสั่งม้าแล้ว
Can I have nung?
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวม้า
Nung noodle, please. With beef.
จะเอาเส้นอะไรอย่างเนาะ
ชี้เขาดูเลยนะที่
น้าชี้เลย
เอาเส้นว่า
Yeah, you think?
ยังไงคือลูกเนี่ย
Oh, the thin one. Yes.
เล็ก
Yes, very good.
แล้วก็ยูpork and beef
Pork and beef mix. Mix pork beef.
เอารวมนะหมูเนื้อ
More, yeah. And how do I say beef in Thai? Nue? Pork is mu, gai is chicken, and what is beef?
beef เนื้อ
Nua. Nua. Chai. Kap. Yeah. Beef. Nua. Yes, so we ordered. Got some help as well. Because they couldn't speak English, so perfect. Luckily. Very kind people over here, wow. helping me with ordering. Everyone very smiley and happy. Yeah, love it. Hello. Sawadee-krap.
Can I hear you?
Oh, I already ordered with the cook. Yeah.
Do you want water noodle?
Yes, the tin noodle with
Yeah, and-
beef or with pork. What is it?
Beef or pork?
I order mixed beef and pork little bit.
รวมค่ะ รวมwater cooking เข้มข้น
Kepcorn?
spicy or
Spicy. Pet นิดหน่อย Wow, I got like maybe 3-4 people helping eat. Yeah, very kind people. So I think she got it now.
where you come from?
I come from Belgium. Yeah, Belgium.
Belgium.
Yes. What about you?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Thailand.
But what part of Thailand?
Yeah.
Which part? Chiang Mai,
Thai.
Bangkok,
Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai?
I have industry a handicraft coating. Handicraft,
handicap.
handmade coating and bag.
Oh, like in Bantawai.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
Ah, yes, I was in Bantawai last week. So you carve wood.
Yeah.
Okay.
My friend carve wood and my cutting craft.
Are you cutting?
Yeah.
I'm cutting clothes.
Yeah. Clothing.
Oh, I thought you cut wood. Oh, very nice. You cut clothes for women or for men?
Yeah. Women and men.
And men. Okay, nice. Good. Do you
Back.
like this shirt?
Back.
Black. Ah, black. Ah, and bag as well.
Back. Yeah.
Where's your shop?
My shop is Hawaii.
Why? Ah, do you have on Google shop?
Yeah.
Ah, here, show me. I live now in Hangdong. Maybe I'll come have a look.
And Bangkok and
Google. Here. Oh, you want Thai? You want Thai? Thai or English?
Samui and Central Chiang Rai.
Oh, you have 2 shops.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Very good. Entrepreneur, huh? Very good. Very good. Nice. Yeah, the people in Hangdong, amazing.
Only one?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, traveling a little bit. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay. Good. Thank you. I will come have a visit. Huh? Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So we have our beautiful meal over here. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm not too sure how we say this in Thai. So I will ask. Hello. Can I ask really quick? How do I say this in Thai? In Thai language.
เนี่ยเครื่องปรุงอ่ะ
Oh, thank you.
อ่า
How do I say this in Thai? Thai.
ปรุง
Hung?
นี่ชิลลี่
Okay. Thank you. So this is noodle, but in Thai language. How do I say Thai?
นี่ตรงนี้
It's spicy.
อ่า
Okay. Thank you. Amazing.
Spicy.
Is that spicy? Very spicy?
Yeah.
Okay, I will try a little bit. Little bit, yes? Okay, thank you. Okay guys, look at this, how beautiful. We have our noodles. We have some beef. Some tofu over here. Some tofu. Wow. So diverse meal, so many different things in it. Such a beauty. Wow. Yes. Love it. We have some beef balls. I think this is pork. Yes. Some tofu. It's a very good meal. Yes, very good. But I think I have to add some spices. Some spiciness to the meal. So guys here. Very spicy. Pet mark. Always a little bit for me. There we go. Yeah, the people don't really speak English over here, but they're so kind and try to help. Yeah, lovely people. That's better. A little bit spicy. Very good. Very good. Little chips as well. Looks like a little bit of a Dorito. Yeah, good meal. Healthy. Full of veggies. So yeah, I still don't know how to say this in Thai. So I'll have to look it up. How to say noodles with beef. Yeah, yesterday I tried hang le mu, also like a very local dish, and that was amazing. And now again, very local dish here as well. Noodles with a little bit of soup as well added. I mean, I'll try the soup first. Wow, soup never disappoints me over here in Thailand. It's always on point, so yummy. It's actually the first time that I have a mix of pork and beef. Normally you have to choose one. Yeah, now we got a mix. So good. So like I said before, guys, this is the best way to go. If you go to Thailand, or if you are in Thailand, just go to local places. In the city, in Chiang Mai, or you always have the same things, but here you can experience like the real authentic Thailand, just outside with the real locals. It's a good meal. I think I might bring one meal back home. Excuse me, one more. Can I have one takeaway? Dung. Yeah, one extra. Same. Wow, it's really filling for lunch. Yeah, wow, so good. Very good meal. Finished the meal over here. So yummy. Kibat. How much? Yeah. 140 Oh yeah, it's okay. Good. Cup. Let's scan. Aloy mak. Very good. Okay. Cup. Thank you. Good. Cup. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay guys, that was a beautiful meal here in the center, almost in the center of Hangdong. As you can see, it's a little bit off the city. Oh, so good. My belly is full. Oh, so full. But anyways, guys, this was it for my noodle adventure. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye.